Hello, me again. I've got another update, but usual shout outs. Model Pro 72, usual YouTube shout outs. Model Pro 72, Model Pro 72, Model Pro 72, Model Pro 72 Lenny, Model Pro 72 Lenny, Basic Modeling Rob, Primitive Modeling Chris, Aaron Newlands, Atomic Dog 32 Brian, Making Mods again Gary, Shane Trains, Kalido 1 Lewis, an engineering dance on this business, Dan Max Ellie, Kelsey, Mum Haley Billy, Kelsey Chloe, Dan Max Ellie Kelsey Chloe, Mum Haley Billy, Mum Haley Billy, Lenny, Lynn, Andrew, Ashley, Andrew, Gavin, George, Luke, Lisa, Tom and Charlotte. Well, anyway, the update is that I've assembled the center, the fuselage mounted fuel tank that I'm going to be putting on it. And like I said, this is the only fuel tank I'm going to be putting in. It's the only fuel tank I'm going to be putting on it. Well, yeah, I'm just waiting. So yeah, that's the fuel tank I'm putting on it. I'm waiting for the missiles to dry. So when they're dry, when the AIM-9 sidewinders are dry, that's when I'll dry, and I've assembled them. And obviously this and two other bits have been added, and I'll let you know. Alright, good.